I would advise at least pretending to look busy. The boss is here.
Mia, you're kidding. When?
I just spotted her walking in.
Let's go.
Mia! Oh, my babies! Oh!
Did we know you were coming?
I didn't know I was coming.
This isn't a surprise inspection, is it?
That's exactly what this is. Ready? Oh, you're too thin as always.
But we eat.
And you're both too beautiful.
Yes, that's true. We often feel guilty monopolizing the amount of beauty we're in possession of.
And I don't see you enough, which is my fault, so you both pass.
Oh.
Oh, Michelle. Oh, how nice to see you. Oh, and look at that suit. You are quite the dandy, aren't you?
Well, I had a feeling that a lovely woman was going to be visiting today, so I decided I must look my best for her.
I'm sorry, honey, I didn't catch a word of that.
He said he missed you.
You've been in the U.S. quite some time, Michelle. Your enunciation really should be better by now.
The customers seem to understand me just fine.
I didn't get that either. Did you get the tapes I sent you?
Hey, maybe you should hit the desk. A couple of people are looking for help.
Right away. Mia, I...
So, are you too busy to sneak out with me for a walk?
Not if it's okay with the boss.
It's a demand at this point.
Let's go. Michelle, hold down the fort.
Oh, it's a little slow now, so it's no problem.
Oh, he says that he's never liked you and that you're a problem.
I said no such thing.
I don't know where this hostility comes from. Can we work this out?
There is nothing to work out.
He told you to get out.
I did not!
I don't know what I did to make him hate me.